So hi guys, my name is Johan and I'm back with a new video in which I want to share with you, as I've promised, my results after almost a week since I've staked my coins on the Launchpool. So today is weekend, it is Saturday, so we are seeing some green in the markets. As you can see, Bitcoin has moved 3.1% to the upside in the last 24 hours, Ethereum 6.6%, Cardano 6.3%, Binance 0.4%, and so on. We are seeing some nice green in the markets. Holo, as you can see, 19.9% to the upside. Swissborg 18.6% to the upside. Polygon 18.4%. Bancor Network 18.1%. So a lot of green in the markets. Chills, the losers, minus 10.9%. Flow, minus 7.6%. Theta Network, minus 7.4%. So we are still in the green zone. We are still in the bull market, even if it was a harsh week with a lot of volatility and sideways moves from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Other low cap gems have moved and made a lot of excess, guys. So let's jump straight to the subject of this video. Guys, as I've promised you, I will share with you my results after almost a week. Tomorrow, Sunday, it's a week since I've put my tokens into Launchpool, staking to earn LPOOL tokens. And right now, let's do a math and see how much I've made in almost 1 week. So from 1-inch pool I have 2.68 LPOOL tokens, plus from paid pool 4.7, plus I still have some uni here, 3.73. That's a total of 11.11. So 11 LPOOL tokens I made in almost 1 week since I've staked my coins on the staking pool from Launchpool. Now I will do the claiming for you guys to see how easy it is to claim and how much I will pay in fees. Right now the network is not so congested, so it is pretty cheap, 61 GUI, as you can see. Let's see how much it will cost me to claim these tokens. $10, as you can see. I will hit confirm and we'll see how fast my tokens. As you can see, I received some tokens. It is confirmed. Let's see now. As you can see, I already have here my LPOOL tokens available. Great. Let's unstake now this one. This one is cheaper, $8.58. Get the confirmation. Yeah, we get it. Now let's refresh. See, I have 6.41 LPOOL tokens right now. And let's claim the paid token, $8.42. Confirm. So that's it, guys. I've cash out, as you can see, all my rewards since almost a week since I've joined LPOOL token. Now I will stake my LPOOL tokens on the LPOOL staking dApp here. That's another $12. We had first time $10 plus 8.6 plus 8.6 plus $12. So as you can see, all the transaction I have already made cost me almost $40 at the current gas price at around between 80 and 68 gwei. Seems this one is taking a bit longer to confirm, but as you have seen, the claiming was very fast. So let's do the math, guys. As I've said, at the current recording, the price of LPOOL tokens is $17.60. Let's see how much I made staking my coins on LPOOL, guys. Let's see if it's profitable. So I've made 11 LPOOL tokens times $17.6 per token equals $193 in less than a week at the current value of LPOOL tokens, minus $40. You have seen the fees are almost $14, equals $153 pure profit at the current recording if I want to sell my LPOOL tokens right now. I guess for many people this is not a big amount, but it is pretty nice doing nothing, just taking your coins here. But now I am, as you can see, I am staking my LPOOL tokens to earn more yield from this pool here, where we can stake our LPOOL tokens and earn API annually 239.42%. So like I said, I could have made $153 if I sell right now, but of course I will not sell because I believe in this project and I want to see how they will bring the phase 2 live and what projects they will launch through this platform, and we'll see how high the value of LPOOL tokens can go. You can imagine, guys, if the LPOOL tokens will get back at all-time high that was like $93. Think about it, guys. I could have made a lot more money. So not $153, but a lot more. Let's do a math. $90 per token times 11. I could have made almost $1,000 in less than a week. So think about, guys, the value of this coin may rise as soon as all this FUD with paid hack will gone, and they will bring us the real product that they want to build on this platform, and that is to launch projects in phase 2, and to participate in that IDOs we will need to have LPOOL tokens. So with the help of LPOOL tokens, we will be able to participate in that IDOs. And imagine if that projects will be tier 1 projects and very hype projects, then LPOOL tokens will gain a lot in value. So it depends on your it depends how you view things, guys. If you believe in this project, then you can hold your LPOOL tokens and earn more yield. But if you just want to stake and earn LPOOL tokens and sell them, that's your decision. But guys, as you can see on this pool, you can stake other coins like 1inch, Bondly, Pulse, Rune, ASHR, STPT, Sushi, Uni. So as I've said, to do real yield farming and earn the biggest API here, 905.41% API per year, you have to to provide liquidity on Uniswap, ETH, LPOOL tokens, and then you can stake here Uni and LPOOL tokens. It's a bit more difficult. I did not do it yet, as you can see. So guys, this was, as I've promised, my video where I've shared with you how easy it is to claim the LPOOL tokens and to stake them. As you can see, I'm already earning right now, the current recording, rewards after I've staked my LPOOL tokens on the pool right here. I'm earning 237% APY. This is per year, yes guys. So and as you know, this staking pool will end in 78 days and 12 hours, as you can see. And the API is not the same on all other pools. Right now, as everyone have pooled their tokens, the paid pool is it has the biggest API, but now I don't really know if people are able to stake right now paid, because unfortunately, as you can see, paid is dead right now, dead in the water. Yeah, unfortunately, this is very bad hack. And from what I've seen on their forum, we need to wait and see what will happen. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the content that I provide, and if so, please give a like, a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in another video. Bye.